Hey, what's up guys, this is Saikat and welcome to another episode of Smartphone News. In this episode, I'm going to talk about the upcoming smartphone Nokia 6. With that being said, give a like, subscribe to the channel and let's quickly get into it guys.
Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done.
Nokia 6 with the model number of TA1054 surfaced on TINA last month, showing a large display with minimum bezels. Now the specifications of the phones has been detailed on the clarification side that confirms that it will have a 5.5-inch 1080p screen with 16:9 ratio and not 18:9 ratio as expected. It also reveals a faster Octa-Core SoC, which is rumored to be Snapdragon 630. As you already know, it has a long camera setup similar to the Nokia 5 with red or orange accents. Antenna bands on the top and the bottom parts of the black are similar to the original Nokia 6. It also doesn't have capacitive touch buttons below the display since there is no home button and the fingerprint sensors has been moved to the back between the camera module and the Nokia branding. Okay, let's talk about the Nokia 6 specification rumors. Nokia 6 will sport a 5.5-inch Full HD display with 2.5D curved display. And it has a 2.2 GHz Octa-Core Snapdragon 630 processor built on 14nm mobile platform with Adreno 508 GPU. It will come in two variants, one is 4GB RAM and 32GB internal storage and other one is 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. Both are expandable via memory card up to 128GB. The Nokia 6 will come Android 7.1.1 Nougat out of the box. In the back, Nokia 6 sport a 16-megapixel camera with dual-tone LED flash and PDAF autofocus. On the front, it have 8-megapixel front-facing camera. And the battery capacity of Nokia 6 is 3000 mAh battery. The Nokia 6 is expected to come in white, black and blue colors. Hope we can expect an official announcement soon. So that is pretty much it guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, you know what to do. Just like this video, share this video with your friends, and guys, if you are new here, do subscribe on my channel and click on the bell icon beside it as to get quick notification of my new uploads. With that being said, this is Saikat signing out and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.